Hi guys, Alec, Peirce at the ranch, and here we are. This is not our ranch, this is one of my neighbor's ranches not too far away. And we have a problem here that we're trying to solve, and we will solve it. And it's not an uncommon problem. And you guys, when you hobby farms, anywhere you live in the country, you same as us, you have a well. Whether it's a dug well or a drilled well, doesn't matter. You have a well, and down the well you have a submersible. Now, one of my previous videos, you saw how you pull a submersible out and all that kind of stuff. Now, here's the problem. The well is over there, and the pump house, you know, and the water tank and so on, your electrical connections are all here. It's about 100 feet. The pipe, the water pipe from the well goes through a big O. It's called a big O. For you folks that don't understand that term, a big O, it's just a big corrugated plastic pipe. That pipe is there for two reasons. The first reason is to protect the water pipe. It's a 1-inch plastic water pipe, PVC, and the water goes through that, and you want to protect that. You know, when you go to stones and other stuff can hurt it and bend it and, you know, water. So that's the one thing. The other reason is even more interesting. Sometimes, if it's been a few years, something goes wrong. Something starts to leak. It could be a connection, or it could be a pipe split. I don't know what it happens to be. And so, what you have to replace the water pipe. Well, how do you replace underground water pipe 100 feet away? Well, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to show you how to do that. How to replace your well water pipe, your underground water pipe. And it's really a very simple process. I'll explain it briefly just for a second, and then you watch. We'll have lots of pictures, and it's really very simple. We have disconnected the water pipe at the well off the pitless adapter. And once again, if you go back in my previous videos, you'll see a pitless adapter. We've disconnected that. So we have the PVC 1-inch water pipe disconnected at the pitless adapter. And now, down here at the pump house, where the water pipe comes out, you can see that actually, Diane, if you can step over here, you can look down there, you can see the big O. That's a big black pipe, right? You see that, Di? The big black pipe is down there. That's the big O, the protective big O I mentioned. And you see as well, you see that rusty piece of pipe to the left. That's actually a black plastic. It just rusts from the water. That's a black plastic water pipe. That's where the water comes from the well. And then beside it, there's another rusty colored cable, and that's what it is. It's the electrical cable. So what we're going to do, very simple, we're going to cut the water pipe, the large one, the 1-inch one, and then we're going to splice onto that the new piece of pipe, and we'll spread it out, and then we're going to go to the well, and with a little bit of luck and a whole lot of pulling, we're going to pull the new piece of pipe all the way through. It's that easy. When I say it's easy, we'll see what happens. And then hopefully it'll come right through, and we'll pull it out at the well end, and then reconnect the new piece of pipe to the pitless adapter on the well, turn on the pump, and hopefully water will spill out, and we won't have any more leaks. Okay? So that's the process. Ah, yeah. I knew that'd be easy. We saw Sean, my favorite plumber, down the hole digging, and so on. So it went really well. We're very, very fortunate. It doesn't always go that well, but essentially we hooked the new hose. Where did we go? Where did we go? This way. Yeah, we hooked the new hose at the well, and put it on with a joint, fork length. We wrap that really, really well with a bunch of tape to make it a nice, smooth submarine or wiener shape, so it didn't have any sharp edges. Okay, and then really, Sean pushed the new water pipe into the big hole at that end, and you pulled at this end, and the whole darn thing slid through 75 feet of brand new water pipe. And when it came out here, we're done. Reconnected that, new big hole, covered it up, rubbed it into the pump house, cut it off. Oh, here's a tip. Before you connect your new water line, turn the water on and let it blow out. And we did that. It's a good thing because the first couple of minutes it was dirty, muddy. But blow out the water line, then connect it, and you're done. That's how easy it is to replace your water line. Maybe there's something in there for you. Now we're going to backfill the holes and we're out of here. See you soon. Alec, Peirce at the ranch. Hi, Cal.